Hello and welcome to another session of Navigating Lightship. Nicole here, Product Manager at Lightship Works, and in this video I will go over status check-ins. Check-ins and status allow you to schedule check-in times for your workday, giving you an extra measure of safety on the job. Check-ins can be scheduled for intervals throughout the day or for single events. If a check-in is missed or fails, a message will be sent out to your emergency contacts, which can decrease the time for them to respond to you. To create a check-in, select the green plus symbol in the bottom right corner of the app. From this page, select Check-in. To configure your check-in, choose when you would like the check-in to occur, either at a single time by selecting In, or at a recurring interval by selecting Every. If you select Every, you can also choose the start and end time of your shift. I will select every 1 hour from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Next, choose who you would like to notify in the chance that your check-in fails. This could be a supervisor, a coworker, an occupational health and safety officer, or a manager. I will choose my manager. Contacts can be added from your phone contact list through here, or from the contact section on the main page of the app. Then, choose the message you would like to send. The message should be descriptive and indicate to your contact why your check-in was missed. If this is a check-in you will use frequently, you can save it as a saved configuration by expanding the arrow below. In the future, you can quickly click this setting instead of filling out the details again. If you make a mistake or do not want to have a saved configuration anymore, simply swipe left to delete it. To use a check-in, click the green Play button. Your check-in will be turned on and will show up on the main page of the app. This card will show your next check-in time, a countdown timer, and whether you were able to check in yet or not. To cancel a timer, click the check-in card and hold down the Hold to Cancel Schedule button at the bottom of the app. Check-ins can be done 10 minutes before the timer, right up until the timer is set to fail. You can close the app at this time, and an icon on your device will indicate that the check-in is running. A notification will show when it is time to check in. Open the app and hold down the check-in card. When you have checked in, the card will either show the next check-in time or will disappear if this was the last time to check in. If at any point you miss checking in within the check-in window, an SMS message will be sent to your contacts with your alert message. Thank you for joining another session of Navigating Lightship, where we went over status check-ins. For more helpful information or to learn more about Lightship, please visit our website at www.lightshipworks.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, Vimeo, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn for news and updates. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.